Hi there, this is John from SSW, and today I'm going to show you my progress on the ingredients page. Let's get into it. So for this page, I've added three new functionalities: a search functionality, an add functionality, and an edit functionality. And from what you could see, animations. Let's try editing this ingredient. When I click this, a pop-up would appear showing the ingredients clicked, and it's dynamic based on the ingredient, as well as if I made changes to the name. It is also responsive based on where my mouse is. It is also navigable through the keyboard. It is also responsive based on the screen size: small mobile, medium, large, tablet, laptop, large laptop, 4K monitor. As for the validations, it will show you what field is required, and it would also show that the button is disabled when there are errors. It would also show errors from the server. So if I do this, it will show all of the errors. So it shows us name must not be empty, as well as the unit, as well as multiple errors from the same field. So this must not be negative. It should also have only 4 numbers and 2 decimal points. Now let's try adding a legit value. From what you could see here, it's smart enough to trim these white spaces once I've saved it. So when I click this, it would reflect back the changes without the white spaces. Now the add new form, when I click this one, the same pop-up would appear, and they share the same code with the edit form, with the exception that this is defaulted to ingredient. There's no delete button, and this one has been changed to add. It also has the same validations. Now let's try adding a legitimate ingredient. Again, it has the same checking for white spaces. And when I click that one, it would show at the end. For the search functionality, this is smart enough to detect if it's only white spaces, and if you do that, nothing would happen. And if you search for specific functionalities, it is not case sensitive. It is also smart enough to trim the white spaces. And if you do this, you could see the chicken broth that we've modified earlier, as well as the new one. And that's it. What I've shown you is the new functionalities of my ingredients page. This is Jom from SSW signing off.